All right, you guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Big shout out to our 35,000 subscribers out there. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, why not do it? Do it right now. It'll feel really good, I promise. Before we get started with this video, you guys, I gotta say one thing. Tiger King is absolutely insane. That show is nuts. Off the hook. I just finished it last night. My mind is straight blown. If you need something entertaining, crazy, if you haven't seen Tiger King, oh man, holy smokes. I'll tell you what, if you're a dramatic person, or if drama tends to leak into your life, you should feel good because there is nothing more dramatic than that show. Also, I think that Carol killed her husband. And that's all I gotta say. Alright, so I just had to get that out there because it's been like on my mind lately. Crazy show. Alright, moving forward, more important things. Hey, unemployment insurance, we're all trying to apply for it, right? As self-employed rideshare drivers. That is, and we're not making any money driving rideshare, at least I'm not, and most people aren't. Literally, right now, I'm sitting in a Target parking lot. There is not one car in the parking lot. It is Easter Sunday. I don't know if they're closed. Maybe that would have something to do with it. But are they closed? I don't know. It's crazy. It's blowing my mind. There's nobody out there. There's nobody to give rides to. So, we've applied for unemployment insurance benefits, right? We've all been sitting on the edge of our seats because we're like, are we doing this correctly? Did we fill out this application the right way? I got some weird paperwork back. I got denied. Or other people are like, hey, my state's website isn't even updated yet. What should I do? Can I apply yet? Kind of all over the board, right? This law passed not long ago, and we've just been sitting, waiting. And then, so I did. I got updated, right? I got my paperwork back in. It said I was denied. I was not eligible for unemployment insurance benefits. And I was like, what do I do now? So I was looking at the paperwork that I got in. There's another video I made about this. One was to me as the employer, right? Because I put self-employed, Jacob Letman, self-employed. So they sent one paper to me as the employer or the owner of the business, and they sent one to me as the employee. And I'm like, how am I going to do this? So I was like, I'll just try and fill this out to the best of my ability, send it back, see what happens. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I tried to call to the unemployment insurance office. There was a 4-hour wait. It was actually so full. It was full. They wouldn't even let me sit in the 4-hour queue. It was so full. And I called right at 8 o'clock when they opened, already full. So I was like, oh boy, what am I going to do? But then, the clouds dissipated, the sun came out, and I got the answer that we've all been waiting for. I got the answer, you guys. This is the answer. This is the moment. I got an email from the Unemployment Insurance Office, state of Arizona, and the good news about this answer is that it answers a question that is applicable to everybody in every state. And that question is, first of all, how do we fill out this application? Are we doing it correctly? Here is the answer that I received back via email from the Unemployment Insurance Office. And it says, you, Jacob Letman, you good-looking guy with long hair and a beard, you're receiving this notice because you have been determined monetarily ineligible for regular unemployment insurance benefits in Arizona. You may be eligible for pandemic unemployment assistance, and we will contact you when further action is needed. Keep a record of your earnings each week, as this information will be needed to determine your eligibility when PUA, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, is implemented. Boom! Yeah! Yes! Woo! That is a relief. Basically, what that means, this is what that means. It basically means that it really doesn't matter how you filled out that application, as long as you clicked self-employed and you turned it in and your other information was correct, this is what I thought was the deal, and it just reassures me that I was correct, and that is they were wanting people to apply initially to see if they qualified for regular unemployment insurance benefits. And they're basically trying to see if people qualified for that first. And if not, then you're deemed ineligible for traditional unemployment insurance benefits. And then they can filter all of us self-employed people, gig workers, rideshare drivers into the pandemic unemployment assistance funnel. So, right, we're ineligible here, unemployment insurance, but we're going to be able to apply for pandemic unemployment assistance. So, logistically, how this works in each state will probably be a little different, most likely. And we've got some information that other states are getting it up and running faster. I think someone in New York City commented, or New York State commented on one of our videos and said that they were able to get accepted for pandemic unemployment assistance, and they listed Uber as their employer. The fact of the matter is, the point is this: as long as you put self-employed on your application, don't freak out if you get paperwork coming back that looks really confusing and says that you're ineligible. It's okay. It's okay. We're reassured. It's going to work out. So basically this just says that states are still implementing this into their system, and once they do, they will let you know. The good thing is, though, so I do think it's important, as soon as you can apply for regular unemployment insurance, do so that they can deem you ineligible, and then you'll be able to in turn apply for pandemic unemployment assistance. So again, we still don't have all the answers. We're waiting for things to update. I'm waiting for more information. As soon as I get it, obviously I'll create a new video and talk about it. The goal is to get us all through this so we can get those dollars in our bank accounts while we're sitting around waiting for work. And hopefully this answers a lot of questions for people. I know it did for me. Again, still just going to be sitting waiting for correspondence from the state office, but this is where we're at. So anyway, you guys, if you continue to have any comments, questions, concerns about this topic, I know it's a big deal for a lot of drivers out there right now, so feel free to get down in the comment section below. Leave me your thoughts, your feedbacks, any questions that you have, and we'll try and get down and answer those for you. So yeah, that's what I got. And again, if you need something exciting to do, need a little bit of drama in your life, watch Tiger King on Netflix. Crazy, crazy show. That's just crazy. All right. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. Until the next time, stay safe out there, everyone.